Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, for this video, I will be showing you how to send an email from Gmail account. If you are trying to send a mail from Gmail, this video will help you a lot. Now, let's begin. First of all, you open any browser on your PC. I'm using Mozilla Firefox for this one. Once you open it, you click on the address bar and type in gmail.com and press enter. You will be directed to the Gmail signing page. Here you need to provide your Gmail email address. Type in your address of Gmail account. Click on next. Now here type in your password for that account. Click next. You can see you have logged into your Gmail account. Now, to send an email or to send a mail from your account, you can see at the top of left side, just below the Gmail written, options available. Now you can see here at the top of left side the plus button compose. You click on that. Right after you clicking on that, you will see this box appearance where you can see three sections, that is to, subject and the body part. Here too. Here you type in the recipient email address, that is the email address of the person that you are going to send this mail to. Now I'm going to type in a email address. And below you can see subject. Subject is about what this email is all about in short. Now below is the body, the main part of the email where you will type in your message for the recipient. Now I'm just gonna type in Now that you have typed in your recipient email address, the subject of the email and then the body part, that is the whole message that you are going to send, all you need to do now is click on send. Here you can send files and folders as well by attaching them to the mail. But one thing about Gmail is that you cannot send files above 25 MB. If the file or folder is above 25, you have to send it through the Google Drive link. I will be showing you how to send those files above 25 MB in a different video. For this video, I will be just showing you a simple email method of sending. All you need to do here now is click on this send. You click on send. You can see sending message sent. Now, to make sure that your message has been sent, you can see at the left side there's send option available on the fourth. You click on that and there you can see the message that you have just sent to the another email address. You click and here you can see the send mail. Hope this video was useful to you and you could send a mail from Gmail account very easily now.